are all loaded up to go to B&B Off-Road Park today in Mississippi. We got Toby and my mower. Technically his is called a 4-mower. It's a Honda 300 and a lawnmower mixed into one. And then we've got mine as well. So. Well, this is what you get. 2022 oil consumption problems. 2.7 liter turbo 4-banger. But welcome to the party, buddy. At least he's got reliable stuff. He's not running out of oil like us. Oh, never mind. Maybe somebody running out of oil. Everybody needs some oil. No way. We're gonna make it. Even if it blows up, we'll pull this thing to the top of the hill and unload and still ride. We don't care. We are here at B&B Off-Road Park, pulling up right now, full squad. Supposedly we've got a bit of a hill climb to get in, so we're letting each person take their time to get up the hill.
You have arrived.
We got Brax, we got Reese. Love it. Gonna see what they can do. There's Reese. So I'm probably gonna look like a fool a couple times. But hey, it'll be alright. Oh, this place is rough, but it's gonna be a good time. Crossing the bridge. See how it does.
back of that mug.
Hey, big boy! Oh.
Big boy, we're back.
We've got a mower stuck. Brandon's on the ground. So at this point, Brandon has broken his gas pedal and the belt fell off. So trying to fix it. Oh my gosh! Pin it! Pin it! Hell yeah!
I thought they rode him over. I didn't do it.
Oh.
Wait, it's stuck.
You good?
Thank you.
So I've got to pull Brandon back to the top because we've got to weld up his gas pedal again because he kind of messed up.
It might bend it because it's at an angle like straight up.
You got to be ready for anything. Mud mower pulling another mud mower. Probably like a 5-minute fix. Get the welder set up on the outlet. Cleaning off all the mud where we're fixing to weld the pedal back. If you got a mud mower, you got to bring your welder to the mud park.
Oh yeah, if you ain't like,
You gotta be ready.
you ain't rocking, you ain't.
About 5 minutes later, he snapped his transaxle. All right, his transaxle snapped. This is steep. Is this yours?
Yeah.
I was just sitting there gunning it.
I think he's good, damn it.
Lord have mercy.
Hey, what
times y'all gonna flip it today?
It's been something 3.
It just roll over or what?
No, I dumped the snorkel the first time and it keeps cutting off.
Oh, wow. Oh, God.
I kind of like fun.
Oh, yeah.
Next purchase, tiger tail.
Got it. Let's go.
Run that winch out. Can we hold it right there?
Yeah.
Something. See over.
It comes out so easy. Hey, let it sit right there. The water's running out the exhaust. Alright, let's try this hill climb.
We're at the hole where I was at in the mower. Is it the trail around?
Swimming hole. it going? Another day in paradise. See if I can get through where they just got stuck.
Okay.
Oh!
You good, bro?
Shit, pick it up, pick it up. No!
Damn, come on.
Oh no! Come on. No!
Holy shit, dude.
No!
What the fuck happened?
Oh man!
Hey, oil only came from your damn valve vent. You didn't
Oh.
bring anything on the block.
No!
We were just talking about it too.
You
Ah!
caught that rut and it walked up sideways?
That's what it is. I saw seeing it too. I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah, I was like, oh my god.
Yeah. We were just sitting there talking about it.
There they are.
He just flipped his mower! He just flipped!
Alright, I say we just put the hood back on and go.
Alright then.
Shut it. Let's go down there and yeah, if it'll shut. Whew.
Was your winch wrapped up?
Yeah, it was.
Why?
Maybe alright. We're still recording. Good. Well, my body is pretty jacked up now. So that kind of sucks. You guys can see it's all warped. I just rolled it.
That's definitely a lawnmower.
Alright, so I just climbed up all this. And that was pretty terrifying. I don't really want to do that ever again. So I'm gonna go down. Alright, well my idler pulley. It's fine. Idler pulley went off. Idler pulley seized on me while at the hill climb, so getting pulled back by the 250. Huh? He knows I got no brakes.
Yeah.
Well, that's been the... Well, We are loading up. That is a wrap. Mower needs some help. The body is in need of help. Some idler pulleys, some wiring got jacked up, but theoretically it still drives, but that idler pulley is seized, so it's smoking the belt. But drugs.
That's Daddy's money. He's got
Well, we're all wrapped up now, and we are heading out. Damage has been dealt. Well, we're all heading out now. We broke some things held up longer than we expected, and no one really got seriously hurt. No one blew their engine. Only one diff was destroyed today, and it wasn't me. I really just bent up my body. My throttle cable needs to be replaced, but
if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys want to see more big, bad builds like this, don't forget to drop a comment and tell me which one's your favorite. This one should be on the channel next, if all goes well. See you guys in the next one.